We're gonna take RC later, right?
Okay. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
This one's a sunset.
I know, it's beautiful sunset drive.
Alright, let's see how it does, because usually I don't like how it does this one.
We are going from a low-speed road to a very high-speed road. It's 50 miles an hour on there.
And right now we are right to go left, apparently. I also don't like when it like panthers out, you know? Like where it goes too far left in the...
See, I feel like that guy's too far out there for my taste. The Camry in front of us.
the Camry, yeah.
Because, like, from the drone perspective...
He's pretty far out there.
He's pretty...
But see, now we're not far out enough.
We're not far out enough. This is fine for my taste. Oh, but apparently it was clear to go, which is even better.
I'm doing the best I can on speed here.
Oh, you're fine. I'll catch you on the other side if worst case scenario.
Catch you on the other side, Ray. Vecman. You got these okay?
Yeah, okay.
I just know in the sunlight's kind of hard.
What would you do?
What?
Are you just calling them out for me? I know this drive enough that I know the power line.
I will always call them out for you because I love you.
I was like,
I am your co-pilot.
If I didn't have them, what would you do?
Like, would I still call them out for you?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know. Bye-bye, Wilson. So I feel like it's flying into these turns just a little bit for me. Because that's having to really slow down versus a gradual slowdown.
Maybe that's why my right tire was more worn when I replaced it.
A little bit. Because it's not how I would do it. I would slow
way down. I'm not fast into the turns. Like
The problem is it goes fast in the turns and realizes, oh, I can't go that fast, so then it slows down
too far.
And the problem is that if you have oncoming traffic, then you've almost said a bad word. You've poo-pooed yourself.
Yeah, you shit yourself.
Yeah. Oh, it's the Cantina song.
Oh.
I like the song.
I think the funny thing is it came on the last time we went through this area too.
Yeah.
It makes sense though in our timing.
I never realized they have a giant eagle above their garage, not that house. America.
For sure. Takes all kinds.
And you know what? I am glad that we live in a country where it is all kinds in some regards.
It's true.
I think that house sold. I'm not sure though. Dirtbag Kid. Good job, Dirtbag Kid. No, sometimes they'll just fly out and you're like, dude.
My dude. Not helping.
That kid's been riding a while though, you can tell.
Yeah.
And we go up, up, up. And then we adjust. Let me know speed-wise, okay?
Yeah, you're fine.
People still have all their Christmas stuff up in January. Although, to be fair, this might be the first nice weekend we've had since all the snow melted from the holiday snowstorms.
Shut your mouth. That means we're gonna have a bad winter. I love you.
Lori and I are two people that are not allowed to say anything about the weather.
Snow. Anything about snow.
No.
Shut your filthy, dirty mouth. Yeah. Snow all at once up at a different zip code, just not here.
Right. I don't mind it when it falls and then it melts, right?
Yeah, that's fine. That looks pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty for a day, I can do.
Yeah. And that is the nice thing, is typically we have time to prepare for the snowstorms.
Yeah.
It's not like we have these like freak ones that you're like, oh, we never saw it coming.
Yes.
We was rewatching the Doctor Who special from 2010.
Oh, yeah?
It's a Christmas Carol type one. Well, it couldn't do it going one way in the roundabout. Will it be able to go the other way?
Fingers crossed.
I think we're gonna just make it in time for the sunset.
Oh, it'll be fine.
There's either a fire or...
I can't tell.
That's a fire. Yeah, you can tell it's a fire. Could be a bonfire, though.
True.
Christmas bonfire in the countryside.
In January.
Oh, yeah. Forget the holidays already happened. I don't know. Once it's just cold out, it's always Christmas. December, January, February, it's just Christmas.
That's true.
Phantom braking, check.
Until we hit the spring.
Yeah.
Like, that's on.
Until I get actual daylights of
Yeah.
sunlight. Like hours of sunlight during the day.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's no longer a chance for snow.
Yeah. That's exactly right.
Yeah, when I don't see the ice melt signs for sale. 50-pound bags.
99% off.
Excellent. Okay. No one's here, so let's go. Giving it a little go. Excellent. Okay. Pick the left lane, sir. Thank you. Does it maintain is the question. So far, okay. Excellent. Excellent. No, we're not stopping on the train tracks. So close. We're doing it.
I was gonna say you're gonna have to punch it probably.
Well, it was doing it.
Hesitating?
No, it was doing it, and then it was like, I'm gonna go in the right lane. I know. We're going around for the bicyclists. We're giving way. I don't like it.
Bitchy. Little bitchy.
A little bit. I was on your side. I've always been on your side. It's kind of like when Black Mold wouldn't let me in. I'm like, I'm the only one that's giving praise here and encouragement.
Well, you guys, if you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
Okay, there are cars. There's a car. There's a car. We're gonna just let it do its thing, apparently. There we go, okay. Hey, I let it do it. Ooh, we're not gonna hit all of this debris, though. I couldn't tell if that was cardboard or wood. Favorite game of the winter, cardboard or wood?
Will it damage the car? If yes.
That was smoke, by the way. That was not fog.
It wasn't fog, was it?
No, because there's no river there for it to roll through.
I didn't think so.